Enthusiast, welcome back to my channel No Code Nation. So today we are going to work on how to make an app or a page or a group mobile responsive. So let's dig in. So this is my index page that we have created earlier in my previous video. So there are basically two ways we can make a page mobile friendly. So well, that depends on a person's perspective how they wanted their application to look like. So first thing first, you can create a different mobile version of your page. For example, this index page, and I wanted it to be very much different, like literally very much different from the current layout that we have been using here. So I can create a new version or a new page and set it as a mobile version. For example, here I have set index mob page that I already created earlier to be preview as mobile version. So how it will going to work, that we can just simply go to the workflows, we can click on add event, and we can just say page is loaded only when current page width is greater than equals to 600. What I'm trying to set here, that I want this current page to be loaded, this index page I'm talking about, to be loaded only when the page width should be greater than 600 pixels. So I am setting this condition here. So let's say now the screen size is greater than 600 pixels. So let's check in mobile version how it is displaying. Let me refresh it and see my index mob is now visible. Not my index page, it is index mob, which I have set up in the application via mobile version. This tab here will help us to create a new mobile version for our current existing page. And so another way to make any section responsive is go by section by section. For example, here, this home page banner section, or here, I wanted to make it mobile responsive and from the scratch this particular page. So there is this tab called responsive. Just click on it, and here you will be finding different pixel modes where you can set up or change any kind of setting you want it to be displayed on the front end. For example, mostly in most of the cases, whatever we are building here in our canvas UI builder, basic normal canvas, not responsive one, it most of the time works till the default 1200 992. Also sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See here in my page it is looking fine. Let's see 768. So 768 header looking is fine, but I don't like the spacing of this heading here. So what I can do is just click on this pop-up will appear, and for example I am not liking this heading as there is no spacing or anything. What I can do is I'll go to this conditional tab. So basically this tab is used for adding any kind of condition related to that particular element, whether it is a group, text, button, or anything else. So we will hit on define another conditions, and we'll say current page width. So as we are dealing with the width page, so Bubble offers this predefined current page width condition, and we can set it up accordingly. So for example, let me say if it is less than 990. If this condition is less than equals to 990, I wanted this text to have a padding. Top padding 20, bottom padding 20, right padding 20, and left padding 20. See what happened here now. section does not like aligned in the center, and I wanted it to be look in the center. For that, what I have to change, which condition exactly what I have to change is text alignment. So here I'll go back to conditions, change text alignment, and now I can set it up for page width or screen sizes less than 990 pixels. So now you can see here the look of this particular page. All other sections are looking fine. Now what we can do is we can check in mobile version 320 pixel. We can add few more breakpoints we wanted, for example 480, 600. That depends on your usage. You can add any here. Well, I'm working here with the default one for the timing. For example, here I don't like these texts. I wanted it to be aligned in the center. So what I can do, same thing. I'll click on the conditions, create one conditions with the page width. I'll set it up to be less than 450 pixels. I'm taking it generally, you can take any. So I'm setting it to 450 pixels, and I wanted this alignment, text align, or this. If you wanted to check any condition which you wanted to change, so you can see here horizontal alignment that I have to do. Horizontal alignment, and I'll change it. It is not changing. So what more we can do is copy this condition, go to that specific thing, then paste this condition. Horizontal alignment is set. What is not set is text alignment, and I'll change the text alignment. Same copy condition. Same I can do with this one also. Paste condition. See, copy condition, paste condition. That is how we can control each and everything in our bubble application. Now let's see what happened in the front end. I am closing this, refreshing the page. Here we are loaded back to our page, and I wanted to check it in the 768 mode first. This is my 768 mode. See, the padding and everything is there. Now let's check in 320, 390, any kind of mobile mode. You can see the difference. Now this center alignment is as we have did for the first row only, not others. So you can see the differences. See, here all are left aligned, this one is center aligned. So that is how you can do mobile responsive of any kind of group, element, page, anything. It is this simple by using this particular method.